In a world where businesses need to constantly adapt and innovate, SAP provides the tools to transform your organization and achieve remarkable success. With SAP's cutting-edge software solutions, tailored to meet the unique needs of various industries, you can optimize operations, drive growth, and unlock your true potential. SAP will transform your business. You can see significant cost savings, improved productivity, and better customer satisfaction. It's truly a game changer. SAP's intuitive interface ensures a seamless user experience, while its mobile capabilities empower you to stay connected and make decisions on the go. At SAP, we understand the importance of security and data privacy. Our robust measures ensure your sensitive information is protected at all times. Join the global network of businesses that trust SAP. With a vast community of experts and a presence in over 180 countries, SAP is the partner you need for success. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your business with SAP. Contact us today for a personalized consultation and embark on your journey to success. Hello, myself Rogan, Business Development Executive from Krish IT Solution. We are a global IT and SAP consulting company in Chennai, India, UAE, Oman, run by a team of technocrats, having in-depth SAP industry and technology experience. Let's connect with us.